These are the 3 mounting brackets for our shoebox street light. Have a look at this is Arm, this is slip filter, and this is Trunnion. They apply in different ways. The arm bracket can be opened by removing only 2 screws. And the bracket cover is loose leaf, so it can avoid the loss of bracket cover. The arm bracket is suitable for square pipe. It has a sensory package. Take a look at this unique design of the bracket accessories. When this part is used with our arm bracket, it can be installed in the round pipe. The bracket can be disassembled into 2 parts. If you want to install it, secure this part, disassemble it first. Then put the part which connected to the lamp holder. Finally, use the screw to fix. This design is convenient for one person to install, so it can save labor costs. This is our slip filter bracket. The angle can be adjusted to 180 degrees. To accommodate installation in different scenarios, we designed the adapter bracket. When the slip filter used with this adapter, it can be mounted on a straight wall. This is our Trunnion bracket. The angle can be adjusted to 180 degrees. It also can be mounted on a straight wall.